We're going to work with 4 very special acupressure points here that are a great way of relieving stress and anxiety and generally building up your sense of personal energy and power so that you can navigate through all of life's challenges more successfully. The first of these points is on your face. If you go below your eye and you feel the ridge of this bone around your eye, you're going to tap on this place. This point is on stomach meridian. A stomach meridian runs all the way from your head all the way down to your feet. And the stomach energetically is related to how you process your life in terms of worry. So if you think about what the stomach does, it's taking that food in and it's agitating it around. It's starting to break it down so that your body can digest it. And if you are worrying about something, you're kind of ruminating on it, you're agitating on it, you just can't quite break it down or digest it. So the literal and the metaphorical meanings for stomach are very closely related. Now you may find that these points are tender or sore, and it's good to tap on them several times a day. And especially if you're starting to feel worried, working with stomach meridian is a great way of helping to bring down that sense of worry. The second place is on your upper chest here. You're gonna find the points of your collarbones and then go right beneath them. You'll find a dip before your rib cage starts, and we're going to tap on these points. This is the top of the kidney meridian. Kidney starts from the bottom of the feet and comes upward to the collarbones. Kidney meridian is related to our sense of courage in moving forward in our lives, or conversely, our sense of fear about the future or shame about things that have happened in our lives, and even to some, a very ancient sense of sadness. So if you're feeling less than courageous about stepping forward into your future, or you're feeling fearful about what's ahead, these points are great to tap on and very good for strengthening your overall energy system throughout the day. The third point that we're working with is right in the center of your chest on the sternum, and we call this the Tarzan tap sometimes. You're going to tap on this point right on the sternum. Beneath that point is the thymus gland. The thymus is essential for our immune response and helps to produce T cells, and generally produces fewer T cells as we age. So we want to produce those T cells and have a very strong immune response. This is also very close to a point on the central meridian that's called the Sea of Tranquility. So tapping on this point restores a sense of calm and centeredness and groundedness, while also bringing forward the immune system response and generally strengthening us to go forward. So there's a reason that primates thump on their chests like Tarzan, because it gives us that great sense of personal power and also just generally strengthens our body for what's ahead. And the fourth point is here underneath the arms, and this is called a spleen point. This is the end of spleen meridian. Spleen has a lot to do with how we metabolize things in our lives. So whether that is processing our food, processing our supplements, processing our emotions, the events that are happening to us, this point is right around the bra line. If it's more comfortable, you can cross your arms over or do like the monkey tap like I am. You may find that these spleen points get quite sore. And these are excellent to tap on, both because the spleen is so instrumental in our immune system response, but also because strengthening spleen helps us to balance the fight, flight, freeze response and helps us to calm triple wormer and bring us out of that response by balancing our entire central nervous system. So try out these 4 points throughout your day and see what magic they produce for you.